When you travel in Chengdu, your smartphone could be helpful in almost all aspects. If you plan to have a business or tourist trip centered on Chengdu, the best way to book tickets is to use your phone. First, you need to download an app named Railway 12306 from the App Store. You need to register and fill in your personal information if it's your first time to use it. Remember to choose passport when choosing your valid certification. Check agreement after filling all the information and then enter the next step for information verification. Now you need to text 999 to 12306 and you will receive a 6-digit verification code through a text message. Fill in the verification code and the registration is completed. Now you can go back to the homepage and check tickets available. The left upper side is the departure station and the right one is the destination station. Choose the time suitable for you below and check all the available train journeys. After selecting a suitable one, it's time to pay for the ticket. Now you will see detailed information such as time of departure and arrival and the time of the whole journey. You need to choose the type of your seat and add passengers by clicking your information registered before. If you buy a ticket for someone else, click the left upper side to add another passenger and fill in his or her personal information. Finally, submit the order and pay it online. Please remember to book your tickets a few days in advance to ensure you can start your journey as planned. Chinese nationals can enter stations with ID cards quickly. International passengers need to enter through the menu channel to have their passport checked, unless you have a foreign permanent resident ID card.